Hey guys, Ian here, Nolo Designs, and today we're going to be putting on ditch light brackets. Now, as you can see back there, the prototype ditch light brackets are installed on the pilot right now. And so I'm actually getting ready to take those off and put on the production set. So stay tuned, I'll show you the installation. Alright guys, so here is the bracket. You've got holes here for your wire routing, and then it actually tucks up nicely. You got your measurement book? Alright, I've got my assistant out here today to help me install these.
Here, Daddy.
Thank you, sir.
It's yours.
Alright, man.
That is what to sit. I want to sit, Daddy.
And where are you going to sit, boss?
I want to sit on the middle with it.
Okay, well there's not a lot of room up here, so give me a second. I've installed my personal helper. But yeah, so either way, we're going to install these, and there is a modification required into this little plastic trim bracket. It's like 30 bucks on Honda's website if you're super anti-cutting stuff, but they're going to have to get cut to get through here, and that was the stiffness required to make the bracket happen. You got it? All right, here's the official measurement. Let's get this install going. All right guys, so I went ahead and loosened this bracket and pulled off the prototype bracket, and that's how loose it needs to be to install. And so what you'll do is this is actually going to go up in here, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here it is. I just slid it into place. It's not tight yet. I do need to tighten it down, but and you can see there's a little bit of room, and it runs right around with the hood. And I'm going to get the light mounted up, and we'll be off in no time. All right guys, so this is here reinstalled. It's all tightened back down, and then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I need to finish tightening my lights down. You'll see on the website too, we actually carry and sell Heretic Studio lights, so be on the lookout for those. If you need something, let us know. And then I'm going to get the other one bolted up, and then I'll show you guys the final product once it's all bolted down nice and tight. Alright guys, so here we are, finished product, lights installed, everything fits up nicely. You will see it's about how high they are off the hood. It's still about 1.5 inches or so, but you want to get it up high enough, that way you can position this light in a manner that it actually clears the hood and you're not just casting a shadow with the hood. So you do still want to maintain some height. You can do full open with the shorter lights. If you were running a 4-pack of lights, it would definitely be a little bit tighter. And then I still need to go back and clean this up, but so just so you know what you're looking at from a trimming perspective, you are trimming out this little piece here, this rubber gasket material. You just have to just kind of notch it out. So this actually needs to have a little bit more of a notch in it than when I had the prototypes, which makes sense based on some of the changes that I made. But either way, you do have to trim this out ever so slightly. And like I said, this is a... Guys, so here's the slit that needs cut in this piece in order for the cable and the bracket to feed through it. So just so you know what you're working with, that's what you got. So that's it. That's the ditch light install on the 2023 Honda Pilot. You can see them back there hanging out. Pretty simple install. It's probably only going to take you, I don't know, 30 minutes start to finish roughly. Bolt right up. You reuse your factory hardware. You don't need anything extra, so you're not going to be worried about looking for anything there. And as always, if you got questions, let me know. Until then, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one.